One of the busiest places in a home is the kitchen. Efficiency plays a significant role when it comes to the cooking space. The easiest way to achieve this is through a well thought out design. An L-shaped kitchen is one of the most efficient kitchen designs. As the name implies, the kitchen counter looks like an L. The beauty of the L-shaped kitchen lies in its feature of easy accessibility to all your essential kitchen needs and adaptive design as it fits perfectly with every kitchen irrespective of their size. We have put together a list of L-shaped modular kitchen design ideas that would bring life to your kitchen and make your life much easier. Two-tone colors go handy when it comes to L-shaped modular kitchen cabinets. However, it falls flat if they are not appropriately paired. A textured wall work wonders, filling the space out, creating a beautiful background and especially for an Indian modular kitchen. White is a simple color that often acts as a supporting character even when employed genders. In these kitchens, we see that white cabinets balance out the rustic design of the wooden cabinets to create a minimal and clean look. Check out these amazing L-shaped